Why encouraging yourself with motivation boosts confidence. How to use motivational material to develop your mindset. If you want to succeed, you need to understand why encouraging yourself with motivation boosts confidence. I have a question. How do you succeed in life? Personally, the key to success is 99% effort and 1% of your dream. If you want to succeed, you must be intentional, because all goals must have a target, or you'll find yourself running around in circles. This is why motivation helps you develop your well-being. It helps you remember why you're pursuing your dream when you feel like giving up. Reasons why I use motivation to overcome obstacles. I'm grateful for all who've helped me grow and become successful. If it wasn't for them, I would have failed, because the knowledge and wisdom they shared with me opened my eyes to a world full of possibilities. This is where I got to understand the power that comes from taking advice. Motivation helps you understand where you are, what you're facing, and how to overcome it. When you learn about the pitfalls of doing something wrong, your chances of quitting rise. I learned that being intentional when looking for motivational material is important. Don't follow every motivational message you hear. Be intentional, or you'll be overwhelmed by all the material floating around that can cloud your judgment. Some motivation tells you to burn your bridges so that you don't go back if you think about giving up. This advice is not for everyone, and I don't agree with it, because in most cases, if you don't have a fallback plan, you will fail. Dreams need money to grow. Work and fund your dream, because a dream needs capital to grow. Don't listen to every motivational word, because it must be specific to your needs. Find a platform that boosts your confidence and participate. Subscribe, comment, ask questions, and donate to them, because being intentional is the key to success. Remember, when you use motivation, it's your life that benefits. Why encouraging yourself with motivation boosts confidence. This world changes daily, and you need someone who understands your journey. Therefore, people I used to follow are now helping other people in need. It's also important to understand that growth and development resemble a ladder structure. It's okay to outgrow a specific need and move on to the next level. You don't have to commit to one motivational element where you get your motivation from. Go out and find new messages that align with your development. Conclusion. It's important to understand why encouraging yourself with motivation boosts confidence, or you will fail. Some messages will not help you, and that's why you must be open to all motivational platforms in order to grow. The advantage of learning is that you don't lose what you gain. You continue to develop it as you grow.